Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So let's make this delicious goat meat fried rice, which is very easy to put together. And want to ensure that you cut your veggies before you start cooking, right? And now to my pot, I'm going to be adding goat meat, which I'm going to go ahead to season that, okay? Then I'll be adding my seasoning, I'll be adding salt, then I'll be adding, some chili pepper, like dry pepper. I like mine to be a bit spicy, like peppery when I fry it. Then I'll be adding salt, then add water enough to cook it. This is actually a soft kind of um goat meat. It's a female goat, but it's a soft kind of it. So you want to go ahead to, you know, boil it till it's tender. And this is me using this to check, who work must chop, right? So anyway, it's nicely cooked now. Then I'm going to cut it into, bite sizes. And that's exactly what I'm doing here, guys. So you can cut it to your desired shape anyway, or to the size you want, okay? And when that is ready, I'm going to heat up some oil on the fire, and I'm going to transfer those, chopped goat meat into that and fry it till it's nicely, fried or golden brown, like the way you are seeing on the screen. So to a pot, I'm going to sift my meat stock. Ensure you sieve your meat stock, okay? And now I'm going to add seasoning. I'll be adding curry powder to that. Then I'll be adding some chili pepper as well. Sometimes I use the green habanero pepper. That's your red pepper, okay? Then now I just added some water. Then I'll be adding vegetable oil to that as well. Then this water is not enough, so I'll be adding more. Okay, and I almost forgot my salt, so I just added that as well. Then cover that, till it boils like what you are seeing here right now. Then I'm going to add my washed rice, and that's exactly what I just added. And I'm going to go ahead to stir that, okay? And I noticed I needed to add more seasoning, and I added seasoning and salt. You can adjust the taste of it if yours required as well. So cover that to cook, and it's ready now. And I'm going to fluff it and set it aside. Now to another pot again, guys. We're using different pots. And now I'm going to pour in the oil that I used to fry the goat's meat. Add more oil to that. Add onion. Stir that to fry for about 2 minutes. Add green beans, right? Yeah. Then add curry powder, seasoning. Then I'm going to be adding pepper as well. Blended pepper or chopped pepper rather with onion. Then this is me adding some seasoning. That's the seasoning powder. Add some salt, stir that till it looks caramelized, okay? Then now I'm going to be adding my chopped carrots, and you want to mix that to combine as well. Stir that, very well. And this is me adding the goat meat as well. Want to go ahead to add goat meat. Then add some, green bell pepper. If you have the red one, you can as well add it. But this is what I have right now. Then I'm going to stir that to combine, guys. You can as well eat your, sauce like this. You can serve it with maybe white rice, okay? But we're continuing with this recipe. We are not stopping, okay? So now I'm going to add my rice, okay? That's what I just did, guys. Just have to add it bit by bit till everything is nicely combined, or till you exhaust the rice, okay, if that makes sense. So now I'm going to add my spring onion just to garnish it a bit, and our fried rice is ready. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching just as much as I enjoyed sharing the recipe with you guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.